One time, officer, could you get back off of us? Checking on my clique while we kick it in the parking lot. Tripping off of something, but you know it's just...
Yo. So, wasn't planning on shooting today, but I gave Robert his bung that came with the wideband and a plug that I had laying around so he could get the bung welded onto exhaust. And he wants to install the wideband today, so now I'm just waiting for him to show up at the crib. Wasn't gonna go work out today, but my battery died on the Miata. Found out after I finished sanding down the letters on the valve cover, and then I tried to start it to go to the gym and failed. I should have tried to start it before I gave him the bung so that he could give me a jump so I could get a jump on my day. But that didn't happen. But it should be straightforward, just power and ground. Probably gonna take out the wire that's hooked up to the boost gauge, swap that out for the power wire on the wideband, because unfortunately the boost gauge broke, believe it or not. But I guess we could go down and look at the valve cover. I'll show you what I did. And trying to sand the letters down with like 600 grit sandpaper does not work well. It was not fun. I had to put in a little bit more effort than I thought, so I ended up using a file instead, and then smoothing out the letters with the 600 grit sandpaper. I'll probably get him to jump my car as soon as he gets here, let it warm up a little bit while I'm wiring everything up. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, see, so I was able, damn kids, I was able to sand it down. Hope I didn't mar it up too bad, but it looks good. The wrinkle finish came out pretty good too. Now that I've done it, I kind of want to dress this up a little bit. Maybe a new oil cap, some Garage Star bolts. I think they come in like chrome or something like that. I wanted to get the Garage Star plug wire cover in carbon fiber, but I thought about it, and if I get some coil-on plugs, it's not gonna fit. Nah, just leave it. But the valve cover does look good. Definitely need a new oil cap though, that's for sure. So now we play the waiting game. Nope, still dead. Yeah, I'll wait for him to show up. Oh, it wasn't 600, it was 320. Yeah, it was horrible, it took a long time. But the file I used was this. You can still see some paint on it, but it worked. I changed my mind. Since I'm waiting for him, I'm gonna wire these things up. Ground, I just put in one of my connectors onto that. This I don't think I need to extend, and this I'm gonna extend just in case he gets a what is it, the EMS, AEM ECU. So I gotta find my trusty wiring, soldering kit. Ground is really easy. I just need this. That way I could just mount it to a bolt, probably on the clutch pedal or any of the pedals. And then a couple shrink tubes and a lighter and my wire cutters, stripper. I think that's really all that I need. Oh yeah, and the solder.
One time, officer, could you get back off of us? Checking on my clique while we kick it in the parking lot. Tripping off of something, but you know it's just stress. I and I up in the party, so you know it's just stress.
What now? You need to jack up your car?
Yeah, I assume so.
Which side is it on? Driver or passenger?
Driver.
Oh.
Yeah. Where's your jack?
Rock to my music, party people dance.
grounded. I have it hooked up to the Magic Pro for the 12 volt. What? You sure? I swear to God, it's this way. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so now you just got to hook up your wideband, run it however you want.
Yeah, because once this, all I do is hook this shit up.
Yeah, then just route it through.
That's easy enough.
So next you want to do the oil.
You have a plug for oil?
I know this was the cable for it. Plug.
Oh, for this.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, I was like, what the heck?
Okay.
So I don't need that plug.
Where's that cage? Did you take it?
No. I only have the broken one. Is it in the box? No.
Boxes are over there.
I don't have it.
It's not in the trunk or in the
No,
back seat.
You left all your stuff in there.
Okay. So I was able to daisy chain all the power to each gauge. So yeah, it goes from wideband to boost to temp to camera to fuse tap, and then the ground are all grounded. I just got to hook this back up and it should get power to all 3 gauges, but in this case only 2. Yeah, but it's a mess in there. I really don't want to explain anything. In the meantime, Robert's trying to wire up signal wire for the oil temp. We got the sandwich plate hooked up right here. Signal, it's gonna go from there to there. So we're almost done. Almost. And maybe I could drive my car. All right. Now you just gotta hook up the gauges, put the pillar back. Yeah, we're not gonna hook up the gauges because last time I hooked up the gauge back and forth. Connector broke.
Come on, you little bitch. Oh, I can't fucking grab it. Yeah, fucking annoying.
Fuck, man.
Ugh. There we go. Bam. There you go.
Just hope nobody or like something doesn't.
I wouldn't hope anything's gonna snag these.
Yeah.
I mean, it's close enough to where it shouldn't snag.
Yeah. That's good enough.
Here we go.
This shit fucked me up. I'm pretty sure, dude, they probably welded the plug with the bung at the same time.
I bet you they did. They heated that shit up.
Yeah.
Probably melted it.
Yeah, because it's not supposed to be like that. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm not proud of
Of your wiring?
Yeah, because I
No,
didn't.
you're not. Because I see it.
Because when I did mine, I laid my shit out on the table. And we don't have that option. Okay, I need the bullet style connectors, which is here. Then signal wires, the white ones, so I gotta use the female. This is the female. Yes. It goes in like that. This goes in like that. Fold it down. Crimp. Oh shit.
What?
Look what they did.
Hold up.
Where's the gauges at?
I don't know, where have you put them?
I didn't put the gauges anywhere. You took them out.
No, I did not.
Well, the AM one is down here. There's that one. So what? Should I hook the AM?
It's up to you, I don't know.
I mean, it's not like if I'm gonna take it out again. Cause I have to do. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you do. No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Why?
To hook up to the fucking.
Yeah. Well, let's see if the oil temp works.
All right. So oil temp should be.
Wait, shouldn't you put your pillar on first?
No, I'm just gonna check. What the fuck? Ooh. Let's see what's up. Water gets into it.
Left. Maybe this is enough. Gauges work. Turns off. Turns on.
Now it doesn't make that sound anymore.
So you're getting readings. Yeah. Power works. Color works. Check for leaks. No, good. Okay, so power to all three gauges are done. Signal wire is hooked up. Still need to hook up the wideband. We didn't hook that up because the shop that welded the bung, I think they welded the plug with the bung, so we couldn't get the plug off. He's gonna take it back and have them do it. Then he'll put in the wideband so we can get an actual reading. He's waiting for his new gauge as far as the boost gauge. And that's pretty much it. The camera works. Everything's put back together. Oh, I should have shut this off. Also, you should tuck this wire, the ground wire, so it doesn't get caught when you're driving. Other than that, you're done. Before you leave though, you should give me a jump after I clean up. Alright. Well, I got the car started. He gave me a jump. And I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit. Maybe I could go to the gym. I really don't want to go to the gym and then my car dies over there because I really hate getting a jump from people, and I don't have any clean rags so I can wash the car. I don't know. I'll let it warm up for 15 minutes and I'll head back upstairs, clean off the oil, take pre-workout, and go to the gym and see if it'll start again. If it starts again, then I'll have a good day. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I couldn't really film and show you my wiring process because it's a hassle trying to do all that informatively, so I don't even bother and try. Until next time.